me, Wayne, and I'm back on that video, and today I'm going to be showing you my squishies and slime. So let's get on with this video. So first we are going to start off with my squishies. So let's go on. First squishy, what I do? This one. It's a little rabbit. So cute. Cow. Ready. Whoa, look at that, you guys. I just love squishing it. This one, it smells like kind of like a chocolate vanilla smell. Yeah. Next one, we're on my cat. This is my favorite. I love it so much. You just like squish it, and you like want to, and so yeah. And I'm sorry, the TV's on. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm watching the tired. But look at this squishy.
Semester break, and you guys have nothing fun to do. So you got nothing to do.
This one's like the baddest.
No.
It's not that
my truck.
squishy.
He wants you to go behind his truck. I know.
This is the sloth. It's kind of like my favorite.
Ravioli. Like pasta pillow.
Ready.
Get a nice truck.
Don't lie to me.
I'm sorry.
Listen, how would you and your friends like to take a trip to my
Yeah,
home
this is a
country,
really
Yampa?
nice.
Yerba?
It's a very exotic island.
Oh my god, someone ripped
Sure,
it.
yeah, like that.
Oh, dude,
My brother, he's in charge of best hotel in Yampa. And my people, they love to see American-style entertainment.
Next squishy,
The
I
singing,
really got.
the dancing.
This is my fifth, and this is my last
If you and your friends will sing and dance at the
I don't
hotel,
have a lot of slime
my
squishies.
brother will make your own trip for free.
That sounds amazing.
So you take it down my brother's phone number in Yerba.
Okay.
You reach him by dialing 05
05
631
631
771
My favorite of this
365
squishing is, listen,
75
836
836
67
now,
743.
we are up to my slime. It's a special bit. Once again, feeling lost.
So, I told my mother as soon as I got home, and it's true. They'll pay for our plane fares,
This
our hotel
is my
rooms, our
first
food, and all we have to do is one performance a night. That sounds
Yeah,
so fun.
And it's
and
island.
Yerba.
It's a cool place.
Yeah. Nessa said it's kind of like Hawaii. Oh. And that was the
It's
official Yerba website.
so good,
Look
and
at that.
I love doing that. And
Okay, so if your parents say it's cool, do you guys want to do it? Yeah, sure. Awesome. Here, check out some more pics of the report. Alright. I'm never playing mini golf with you guys again, promise? What happened? Trina missed a putt, so she got upset and threw a golf club at her father. No, I threw my golf club and Dad just stood there and let it hit him.
Well, that was fun.
Oh, honey, it's throbbing. Trina, get an ice pack.
and I'm making an Instagram swirl.
Oh, it is
And I'm going to
throbbing.
take a picture of it.
Yes. Yes, thank you, baby. Oh.
Oh, hey, did you talk to your friends about Yerba? Yeah, I think we're... You're taking Trina.
Next slime.
Not happening.
any car you want. You don't even have to bring her back.
Okay. Next is my
Well,
pink
this is
slime.
Rex
It
Knight, you know the
smells
yearbook,
so
but there
good,
has to be
this
an adult
one.
chaperone.
I know.
I thought your
I know.
mom moved out.
Oh my god.
She's
Oh my
getting
god.
one
Oh my
more
god. Oh my god.
chance.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Of
Okay.
course you have to have an adult
Oh
chaperone.
yeah, and I made these slimes
Adult chaperone on the
today.
trip.
Dad,
Please don't argue with me while my nose is throbbing.
Oh, that didn't work.
Could I feel your throbbing nose?
Okay.
Walk away. Yes, sir.
I'm sorry that you can hear the TV.
Yerba!
yeah, it's a small island just off the coast.
Oh, I know where it is.
Sorry,
I spent 2
this
weeks in Yerba when I
is
was
kind of my
23.
favorite.
Cool.
Slime.
So what's it like?
I remember nothing of that trip.
So
Well,
you
do you
wanna
want to be a
like
chaperone?
go like that and then
Our trip
flip.
to Europe.
Yerba! I
Yeah,
spent
it's
2 weeks
got
there when I was 23.
Will you
yeah,
just be our
it's got like the
chaperone?
best cooking already.
So, who owns what?
Okay.
So and I'm gonna make a slime
Andre?
swirl.
We'll
Well, you
both
guys-
ask her.
What's going on?
My aunt says we can't go to Cancun.
Oh, how come?
She found out I was bringing Jade. So we hear some of you guys going to Yerba.
Yes. Yes, we are. Would you like to come to Europe with us?
I only have
Oh, that'd
3
be great,
slimes,
thanks.
so I'm sorry about that. Next slime, it's only one.
Jade,
This is my last slime, and it's
do
my
you have a
favorite.
question for me? Can I come to Europe?
This
Maybe.
is my favorite. It smells like
We gotta give you a
butter.
hug. Just do it. Oh, see? You enjoy a big old hug.
I'm not like the
Isn't that-
best
Okay.
clicker.
That's really tight.
Whoa, you guys, look at this. This one makes the best sizzling noises, though. There that is. Take an Instagram pic.
This comes all town.
Okay, guys, that was all my slimes for today.
I'm kinda glad
And
I
I
don't
will
remember this place.
see you next week. Bye!
Hello to you.